As a model, it's quite literally my job to look as handsome as possible. I get paychecks based on how attractive I actually am. So obviously, I'm going to have an insane beauty regimen. Now, the last time I did this video was roughly a year and a half ago, and my routine has changed vastly. I'm using a whole bunch of products. I'm doing everything completely differently. So today, I'm going to go step by step my full beauty routine. And now, this protocol is actually from some of the higher ups in the modeling industry that all the top models, celebrities, people like this are actually using. So without further ado, let's get it. I currently have not washed my hair in 3 weeks, so I'm just going to show you pretty much how I wash my hair, the shampoo I use, everything. So we start off, we're in the shower, we're doing some hot water, and we're doing a sulfate-free, all-natural shampoo with Chinese herbs. And then whenever the shampoo's actually in the hair, then we're going to do a little scalp massage with my little hair massage scalp thingy. So I do this for a couple minutes, really cleanse the scalp, and then I wash it all out. Up next, we have the conditioner. So it's the exact same brand of conditioner, sulfate free, all natural. Now I'm just gonna let this conditioner sit for a couple of minutes while I do the rest of my routine. We're taking my 1227 Street Soap Co. soap, and we're going to use this on my body. So I have this rag, it's an exfoliating rag. By the way, this soap is available on kalosique.com. It's all natural, has essential oils, other oils that's going to hydrate the skin and have you feeling very, very nice. So I put this on the rag, cleanse myself as much as possible. Now, typically whenever my body is soapy, this is whenever I'll shave my chest and my testicles. I do this every single day. I love the feeling of a freshly shaved chest and freshly shaved testicles. It feels really nice. Now the chest, honestly, if I could grow more chest hair, I would probably grow out a little stubble on the chest, but I cannot, so I just shave it. Otherwise, I'll just have little pubes all over my chest. No one wants to see that. Like, you want to get every inch, every crevice so that you are as clean as possible. No one wants to smell like freaking doo-doo throughout the day, so clean that butthole. Now we're just going to rinse out this conditioner and then finish with some cold water. Now we're out of the shower. We just took my wet brush and we're just going to slick it back so that we can do my skincare routine. But before that, we need to clean those ears. So a little Q-tip, clean each ear. I do this daily. We are clipping the fingernails next. I do this actually, believe it or not, roughly every 2 days. I take an insane amount of biotin. I'm always in the sun. I'm very healthy, so my nails grow freaking fast. So I cut these babies every other day. And never forget those pubes. So I've got my trimmer, gonna trim my pubes. I do this roughly twice a week. Now I'm gonna trim my armpits. Once again, everyone's gonna say, oh, that's so gay, blah, blah. Here's the thing, man. If you want long, hairy armpits, go for it. I don't care, but I like to trim mine. All of this, honestly, is personal preference. Like, the modeling industry doesn't make me do all this stuff. I like it because I like it. So when it comes to your own beauty routine, do what you want to do. Like, don't just do it because I'm doing it or other models are doing it. Find some things that work for you. Integrate some things from my protocol. Put them in your protocol to where you have something uniquely your own that no one else can really copy. And don't forget those nose hairs. You got to trim those probably daily. There's nothing more disgusting than looking up into somebody's nose and seeing a big bush full of hair. Now it's time to shave my face, so I'm just going to use some shaving gel with a fresh razor and go against the grain. This is very quick and easy. Just a quick little eyebrow pluck. Lately, I just kind of eyeball everything because I've been plucking my eyebrows so long. So I just get the unibrow and then underneath the eyebrows just to get any stray hairs, just so I look clean kept. Now we're officially starting the skincare routine. So we're starting off with a gentle exfoliation. This is a Korean product, so it needs a little bit of water to actually activate it. Sprinkle it in the hand, put it on the face, and exfoliate those dead skin cells. Up next, it's going to be my Korean cleanser. Now I actually have my own cleanser on kalosique.com, but I don't have access to that yet. Being overseas, it's only an American exclusive. So I use this Korean cleanser. Up next, it's going to be an ampule foam, which helps tone and brighten the skin and also cleanses it just a little bit. Now we are taking more toner and then we're going to have our cotton pads. So pretty simple. We're just going to put the toner in the cotton pads, put it all over the face, and really get that toner on there. Now we're going to add my kalosique hyaluronic acid onto my face. This is a combination of 4 different hyaluronic acids, so it's completely different than just a random one you would find off the shelf, Amazon, something like this. I use this every single day. Now we're just going to use a little bit of sunscreen. This is SPF 50. I like to just kind of add it in the middle of my routine. It's nighttime actually whenever I'm doing this routine, but I like just the feeling of having sunscreen. You know, like the moon can burn you, you never know. Now we're going to add my ampoule, but this is going to be a liquid dropper. So just going to add a couple drops to my face. Once again, this brightens and tones the skin just a little bit more. By the way, all the Korean products, they are literally designed to brighten and tone the skin. The Koreans are obsessed with beauty. So whenever it comes to skincare, they kick America's ass. But I actually sell my own just because it's all natural. It's even more natural than the Korean stuff. So I like to use a combination of the Korean stuff and then my own so that I get the benefits of both. Now it's time for my Korean moisturizer. Very simple, just gonna add this on my face. And then we're gonna move on to the snail mucin. So this is literally mucin from a snail and it makes the face look freaking awesome. I really don't even know the science behind it, but everyone online raves about it. It really transformed their skin, so try it out. If you guys want insanely beautiful, gorgeous hair, just like a male model, you gotta pick up my new kalosique hair products, man. I got the sea salt spray, I got the hair gel, I've got the pomade. All of it is going to be completely natural and organic to help your hair look awesome. It's gonna help promote hair growth, and overall it's gonna make the styling easier than ever. Like if you want the slick back hairstyle, you add the gel. If you want some curtains, you do the pomade. If you want the fluffy hairstyle, you do my sea salt spray. I make it as effortless as possible with only all natural ingredients, that your hair is as healthy as possible, because one of the primary causes of hair loss, believe it or not, is using products with all these chemicals, all the buildup, all the crap, because this is going to just make the hair fall out. It's not natural. I worked with some people to develop the best quality hair care products that you can possibly get. Pick them up right now on kalosique.com. Back to the video. Now it's time to do the hair. So my hair is nice and wet. I'm just gonna blow dry it. I just picked up this new blow dryer from Ace Hardware. So we're just gonna do a little bit of blow drying. We're gonna do the fluffy hairstyle actually with my new sea salt sprays. So we're just gonna blow dry the hair. So I like to blow dry the sides backwards and then the back nice and flat. And then I wanna blow dry downwards while trying to get a little bit of volume. So we're just gonna kind of go all over the place. I'll let you watch me for a second how I actually blow dry my hair, so maybe you can steal some techniques. Now what I'm actually gonna do is add my kalosique sea salt spray, and my hair is still a little bit wet. It's the key to do it whenever it's still damp, and just spray it. This way you can really set the hair in place. You know, like right whenever you wash your hair, you can't do anything with it, but the sea salt spray has rosemary, has almond oil, essential oils to help promote hair growth, and it gives your hair awesome texture. So I like to add this and then finish with the fluffy hairstyle. Now for this video, I actually changed my mind. I did not want the fluffy hairstyle, just something more professional, so I went with the curtains, and I used my kalosique pomade to actually do so. I freaking love the pomade. If you cannot tell by the texture, like there's a little bit of castor oil, some essential oils, so it smells great. Once again, it promotes hair growth as well. Now just the basics, we're gonna add my all natural deodorant. This isn't mine, this is just something I picked up from a health food store. And then we're going to floss and then brush my teeth with a sonic toothbrush and fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. This will really just finish up the protocol. Now, if I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna throw on a couple squirts of colognes. Typically my Motley Black Legend, but right now I'm staying in for the night, so no cologne. Now my nighttime routine is extremely simple, so it just comes down to 4 different ingredients. So first of all, we have a 0.5 retinol dropper, so this is Korean once again, just gonna put this on my face, and then a 0.1 retinol. This is just a cream, goes on the face, and then my anti-aging kalosique retinol once again, so tons of retinols all over the face, and then we will finish off with a sleeping pack from Skin 1004, once again Korean. So that is literally the entire beauty routine. If I'm gonna film, for example, sometimes I'll curl the eyelashes. If I've got some spots on my face, maybe a little bit of foundation, but nothing crazy. But outside of that, that's typically what I do for my beauty routine, man. It's super simple, very minimal, and it sounds like a lot, but I've got it down to such a routine. It takes literally just like 10 minutes a day to do. It's one of the easiest things. You know, it's like doing anything else throughout the day, like your daily workout. I've got my daily beauty routine. If you want to look as good as possible, you want to look smacks, I highly advocate you get one as well. So subscribe if you're new. I love you with all my heart. Peace.